dodging. Recording right now. Got it? Okay, yeah. Go get some good footage, okay?
Okay.
Ready, break. That's how it goes, I guess. Something was telling me not to go. Before I tell this story, I need to take a... I'm not there yet. It's frustrating, but honestly, it's frustrating, but honestly, it's not that bad. I'm not there yet. You see us pull off the road a little bit. We were going to take some pictures, and we did. We took some pictures with the family, me and my daughter and Kaylee. Just pulled over, took some pictures of the truck. Some debut pictures. You know, we hadn't really put it out there yet. I think only a few of my friends even knew. I think Chatty, I think I sent him a sneak peek of the truck. Peeling back the masking on the truck. Same day, 4:30 in the morning. 12 hours later, we were in just getting to Bo Huff's car show in the museum and hanging out with everybody. And an hour later or so, we go for the cruise. Everything was fine. Truck was running great. It wasn't overheating. It was actually doing pretty good. Just pulled off the side. Like I said, we did some pictures, hung out. I was going to get video of the guys coming back because I knew they were going to come down and they were going to come back. It was all fine and dandy, and then as soon as we got back in the truck, we made it about a half a mile, quarter mile away from where we turned around at. And it spit the tire right off the truck, and it went up underneath, and it was like all crazy.
Drop down, snap, and then after that, you just drop in, you just ride the barrel and get pitted, so pitted like that.
One of the craziest things was I had to go chase that tire. A lot of people don't know the story. So when the tire broke off and finally did whatever it did, I seen it drive by me. You know, the tire's just like, I'm out of here, you know? And it goes down into this crazy ditch. And I don't know, man, if it was just my adrenaline or what, but I was thinking in my head that wheel might be hot. You know, it's going to be really hot. It might light the forest on fire. It might light the canyon on fire. So I take off running, man. I take off, my big ass jumps out of the truck and I take off running, make sure everybody's okay. And I take off running and I go down there and I grab this tire down a hill, down in a river in a ditch, man. It's steep. And I went down there, didn't get hurt, picked up the tire and carried it up and back over to where my family was. And it's one of the things that happens, man. I'm really not even that mad right now. You know, everything can be fixed. I was glad everybody was okay. It broke the bed mount that we had just made for the truck, but other than that, and it rolled the fender, shit, that's all right. We can figure it out. You know, it's been a couple days now. It's actually my birthday. I got shanked lug nuts. I didn't think to like jiggle the wheel around or whatever, you know. I think I just hit them with the impact, zapped them up, and then I'd hit them with the wrench. I always hit them with a wrench, make sure they're good and tight. And I have a Mac Tools impact, air impact, and it hits pretty hard. So once you zap that deal in there one time, once you get the first one zapped on there, just a brrrt real quick, I mean, that wheel's not gonna, and I never even thought to check, never even thought to look. I put the little washers in there and called it good. I felt like this video needed a little bit of an explanation of what was kind of going on, so that was pretty much it. We're here at the truck. Let's go look. Let's go have a look. It's car show day. I don't know if I want to even bother trying to deal with this or what. So here's the damage. All that work we'd put into radius cutting the wheel well and everything. The bed broke the mount, so it's just hanging there. We're here. Everybody's already at the car show. We're a little late because we weren't planning on going. I bought some extra lug nuts. They're still not the right one, so I'm not going to drive very far if I do drive it. I feel like we're here. We might as well try, right? Or no? Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it fixed first. We'll do that. Cut. Time every year here. This is a great show. I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see how many cars are actually. How you doing, man? What's up? I ain't seen you guys in a long time, man. How you guys been? Dude, how you been, man?
I don't want that on my list.
Don't even be. My buddies. Yeah, I was gonna say. Hey, I would have did it, but I would have been like, damn, brother. Kino, nice to meet you, bro. Train. Trey? Train. Oh shit, that's a badass.
Crazy Train.
How you guys doing? Hector, nice to meet you.
I'm pretty tough.
Nice to meet you. How you guys doing? You guys having a good time?
Yes, that's
right on, man. Thanks for coming.
That was fun.
I wanted to fuck with my hand. Right? But don't you feel like when all that stuff's happening, like something's telling you not to come? Yeah. That's kind of how I felt, man. And I kept fighting. I was like, I'm coming. We're coming.
Halfway here, I was like, man, fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, so I was afraid. I was even afraid to drive my truck, so I unloaded it at the church up there. And I just idled it down here and parked it. And I was like, that's it.
Coming through here, man.
You don't take your drink in a porta potty?
No.
Well, you don't put it in the urinal.
I set it down. I said I don't take it in the porta potty. I set it down outside of it. And it
You know,
fell over.
everybody knows you put it on the little shelf thing in there.
I was hoping it'd get
The
roofied
little
out
where
here.
you wash your hands.
I was trying to have a good time.
That's cord.
Best go-kart again, Wesley Walker.
Woo!
There he is, there's Wesley.
There you go.
Done it many times.
All right, congratulations. So we're a custom car club. We like customs. We gotta make sure our custom guys step it up next year, man. Seems like customs are mellowing down a bit. Next year I want to see more customs out here, but the one that I liked that was chopped, French, shaved, Headlights, tail lights, everything was done. White walls, looking cool. Was that burgundy Merc that's right here? Belongs to Carolyn. That's Odessa's pick right there for us. Make some noise for her.
Next up, we got Best Metal Flake. Number 258 Chevy. Chopper.
Where you at, Chopper? Nice little roof.
In first place, Rat Rod. Number 186 International Blue.
All right.
Where's that blue? Where's that beard?
Where's Blue?
That's that 60 Oldsmobile that's out there.
Yeah.
That is one bad
Convertible.
call.
Drop to the ground.
Maroon.
Yep. Very nice car. Make some noise.
There he is. I gotta honestly say, if you guys haven't gone and seen that car, you gotta go check that car up close. It is one nice ride.
I think I saw a for sale sign on there too. All right, first best 50s. 1955 Ford, owned by Wes Owens.
Two-timer! Templar! You guys come up with smiles. They're happy to win. They're happy to be here. They travel long ways. That's what it's all about, guys. JP, best truck. He's in that crowd, I'm guessing. Yeah, I see him. There he is.
Best truck, but I think this is a mistake. But I'm going to go ahead and read it off. It's number 185, 55 Chevy truck, Hector Chavez.
Woo!
Jaden Chavez, come up and get it.
Go, baby.
That's my daughter. She helped me work on that truck.
Yeah!
She literally sanded it and everything. We have a YouTube channel. Go check it out. It's called Howlin Garage. I'm going to have a video out probably in the next 2 days, and she's out there sanding that truck on it.
A lot of you don't know, but yesterday we did a little cruise around town and whatnot, and he lost a tire, but the truck still looks good. Didn't damage anything, but
I was hoping we weren't going to talk about it. I want to cry now. I want to say thank you to my son Tyler. He did a lot of work on that truck. Thank you.
Congratulations. All right, make some noise. All right.
Outstanding Craftsman Award, and there's a guy in town that is always working on something, and he does a great job. Norm Levering.
For best to show that everything was kind of, all the gaps in the doors, the paint, the wheels, the motor, the interior, everything was looking good. And one car that caught our eye, and we kept coming around to it, it looked pretty good, and we finally decided to go with this car. It goes out to the 56 Corvette convertible that's out there. And it belongs to Will as well.
Will as well, yeah. I've never had a bad day here, ever, at this show, ever. I've been coming here for a very long time. I ain't gonna tell you how old I am. I'm getting up there.
37!
We got a table of cookies for $5. Follow this lady in the yellow right here.
Whoa!
Table of cookies for $5. Go on up there and get them up.
All I gotta say is we love coming every year. Long live Bo Huff. And we'll continue this tradition for years to come. So this year, Saints pick, Salt City Saints Car Club. It goes to Little Chopper with his 58 Bel Air.
All right, Grand Junction, Colorado, Saints.
GJ.
And we picked a guy, he's just barely shorter than Chancer. And his name's Kyle. He's got a 68 Buick out there in the trailer. Pretty bitchy.
If you guys haven't, go check out that car in that trailer. And then have him dump it for you when it lays on the ground. It's awesome.
Pretty cool.
We're on a time crunch, but you know what? The hell with that time crunch. How hard did you work on that car? She said really hard, everybody, and she did. She had a lot of Instagram posts. She was sanding. They had problems with the paint. They worked on the car, worked on the car, worked on the car, and you know what? That car is here.
Regina's such a slay. Come here. You helped us. I'm sorry, I'm emotional. I really wanted to be recognized by men I respect. And I've been coming here for 17 years. We love you, B!
All right, make some noise for her.
Good job, guys. You guys killed it. You guys killed it. That's a beautiful 55 Chevy too. Yeah.
Two tall heroes. Unspoken. Well, that's fancy. But just got spoken.
Sunday after bow show, we didn't film a whole lot yesterday. It was hot, we were tired. Went up to Bruin, big mountain around here. Went up to the top of there, you can see for miles on point up there, Instagram point. And then found us a little watering hole out here in the stream, so we're gonna go hang out at the watering hole with everybody and just relax. And so it's kind of nice to just be able to chill out for a little while.
Power shot. Power shot. What's going on?
Everybody say hi.